This is for the people who don't like to go out by themselves alone to a restaurant. I just want to show you that I'm out at a restaurant alone. You know, the high-end ones are the easier ones to go to because the customer service is excellent. I'm here in Oregon and I'm having a fabulous time. I want you to know that you just settle in to enjoying the moment. And you don't worry about anything else. If you wanted to, you could bring a book. You could eavesdrop on people. You know, my very first book conference I went to, the author of that movie, the screenwriter, Get Shorty, I can't think of the guy's name, but he's pretty famous, and he did a talk. And he said what he does is when he's out by himself, he's listening to people talking, and I do that too. I'm not doing that right now, because I'm with my dog and I'm just relaxing. And listening takes a little bit of effort, but I just want you to know that this is the terrace of this nice restaurant in Florence, Oregon. And, you know, if you're concerned about doing it, just go on in, pretend that you'll love it. Academy Award winning, and you'll start to like it. You can banter with the waiter, the wait staff. You might start talking to somebody there, or just enjoy your own thoughts and be in the moment, because I've had some interesting conversations happen. I've also just enjoyed my own company. I really do enjoy my own company, and I don't feel like anything is lacking. I've been driving a lot. I haven't relaxed. I haven't had a glass of wine in a while, so I really appreciate this. Just taking the time to sit by the water and have a moment to reflect and relax. And you can do that too. It just takes practice, and after a while you're going to be doing it like it's no biggie. I've done it all over the world, and it's actually fun everywhere. So, try it, you might love it.